Hello, and welcome to today's family program. I'm Dr. Kitcher, and it's always a joy to be with you. Another beautiful day is here, and I hope your week has started well and you are making progress. Well, what we're going to talk about today is so important, and I want you to take a minute and get yourselves ready. But before that, let's me welcome those who are here for the first time. You are most welcome to today's family program. Here we talk about real life issues and things that matter that will help us to become better than we have been. Also, I want you to know that our programs are based one on the other. So I encourage everyone to watch previous programs in order to make sure you are abreast with what is being said. Yes, sometimes we may touch on some things on the surface because we have dealt with them in detail in previous programs. Also, I want to ask that you invite a friend to invite a friend so that you can all watch and have beautiful discussions afterwards. Today, we are continuing to answer questions that you have brought to us, and I'm so happy your questions are coming in, and I'm sure the answers that we give you are satisfactory, and thanks to those who give feedbacks about what you're learning and how this is helpful to you. So today, we'll be looking at answering a question that is, how do you connect vision and values? How do you integrate vision and values? And I mean, this is a very important question. And I'm so thankful to you for asking that question, because there are many people who have vision, but they are unable to fulfill it. And it's also because of, lack of values. So let me start by saying that values are more important than vision. Values are more important than vision, because you can have a vision, but if you don't have the corresponding values, you will not be able to arrive anywhere. So vision without values is almost like having destiny without discipline. Vision without values is like having a destiny or knowing a destination, but you don't have the values. You don't have the corresponding character. You don't have the discipline enough to get it there. So it makes, values very important when it comes to the whole issue of vision. Why? Because if you don't have values corresponding to enhancing your vision, then your vision will grow lean and eventually it will be eradicated. Vision would be protected by your values. So the values that you build in yourself, the things that you stand for, the things that you cannot bend for, are the things that will keep you going and fulfilling your aim. So as you have a vision, it is always important that you have corresponding values that will protect that vision. Vision is good, but values are better, because values will hold vision together and you will see fruition of that which you envision. Vision is also interpreted through the values. Because of a certain vision that you have, you would hold certain principles. You would walk a particular path. You would be in a particular, sort of circle. For instance, you have a vision of becoming a medical doctor. So you would not be spending your time, maybe with engineers, making bridges and so on and so forth. No, you would be interested in those who are taking care of humans. You would be interested in things that has to do with your field that you want to get in, and you build the corresponding character, the traits and the values that would keep you up and going in that area. You see, most of the times when we have like a team or an organization that has a vision, we don't see that organization vision as the corporate purpose in pictures. Your vision is your values in pictures, and you must see the values. So because we want to do A, we cannot afford to do B or C or D. Why do companies have policies? So that they can keep their values in place and make sure they do not do what they have not endeavored doing. If you have no values, you would be just walking, trying to achieve something, and at the split of any, wind, you are going to be thrown away. When you have values, you also are able to bring to manifestation the vision that you hold. It is very important to understand that vision and values is like the marriage between purpose and principles. Values are principles. Principles work when you put them to the test. Principles are defined and therefore cannot be compromised. Principles are sort of cast in gold and are protected by corresponding actions. It is important for you to understand that wherever there is lack of understanding of values, vision suffers. So you need to bring your values up to the level that it will make your vision clear, achievable, attainable, and something that can be done. It is very important. Friends, this is today's family program, and I'm Dr. Albert Kitcher, and I'm happy to be here with you. Today, we are answering the question, how do you integrate, or what's the difference between values and vision? And I have said that vision is not as important as values, because a man with values would do better without a big vision than a man with a big vision and no values. Values are like the containers that hold your vision and propels it to the next dynamic place. Please have some values. And I said, these are principles, these are characteristics, these are character traits, and these are things that you have held or you hold on to in order to arrive at your destination that the vision saw. It is possible for you to achieve every aim that you set, but without the corresponding values and character discipline, you are not going to get anywhere. Well, this has been your favorite program, Today's Family. I'm Dr. Albert Kitcher, and we'll see you again next week, same time, same channel, and I will be here, and I look forward to seeing you. Invite a friend to invite a friend. Please like and share this link. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask us, because that is one of the reasons why we are here. It's better when we have questions from you, then we know we are answering to a need that is out there. Thank you all who sent questions, and we still have few questions that we will be going through. So don't miss out on next week. It's going to be a wonderful time. And as you think about your vision and build the values corresponding to it, remember, it will take you places and your life will not be the same again. Till I see you again next week, I'm Dr. Albert Kitcher, and I say bye-bye.